Want to slow down wrinkles, boost your glow, and keep your skin feeling firm, naturally and without complicated routines? Today we're diving into 5 vegetables that nourish your skin from the inside out by supporting collagen, defending against oxidative stress, and keeping your complexion calm, bright, and hydrated. These are simple, affordable, and supported by research, which means you can add them to your meals and start building benefits with everyday choices. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I break down science-backed ways to care for your skin and make smarter health and skincare decisions that actually fit your life. If that sounds good, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so more people can discover it. Now, let's get right into the 5 best anti-aging vegetables you can add to your plate today to support collagen, radiance, and long-term skin health. Broccoli brings a powerful trio of vitamin C, lutein, and sulforaphane that helps your skin handle everyday stressors like pollution and UV exposure. Vitamin C is essential for collagen formation, which supports firmness and elasticity, while antioxidants help reduce oxidative damage that can lead to fine lines over time. When you lightly steam broccoli, you preserve its nutrients and keep the texture bright and crisp. You can also fold florets into soups, toss them into stir-fries with garlic and sesame, or layer them over salads for a clean green boost that supports skin repair and a smoother, more resilient look. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, the same retinoid family spotlighted in many anti-aging creams. Taken through food, it supports healthy cell turnover, helps defend against UV-related dullness, and brings out a naturally even glow. Regular intake of beta-carotene-rich vegetables has been associated with a healthier-looking complexion, especially when combined with a balanced diet and SPF. Enjoy carrots raw for a crisp snack, roast them with olive oil to amplify sweetness, or blend them into fresh juice with ginger and a squeeze of lemon for a bright, skin-loving drink. Tomatoes deliver lycopene, a potent antioxidant linked with reduced signs of sun-related skin stress. While they aren't a replacement for sunscreen, regularly eating tomatoes may help the skin better cope with UV exposure and support collagen integrity over time. Lycopene becomes more available when tomatoes are cooked with a little healthy fat, so think tomato soup drizzled with olive oil, a simmered pasta sauce, or roasted tomatoes piled onto whole grains. This simple habit layers another protective factor into your routine while keeping meals comforting and deeply satisfying. Spinach brings a spectrum of nutrients, vitamins A, C, E, and K plus iron and folate, that support hydration, elasticity, and overall skin vitality. Vitamin A encourages steady cell renewal, vitamin C assists collagen formation, and brightness and vitamin E helps buffer oxidative stress that contributes to a dull or uneven look. Add a generous handful to smoothies for a silky texture. Fold it into an omelet for a fast breakfast, or sauté it with garlic and lemon as a quick side that tastes fresh and leaves your skin feeling supported from within. Red bell peppers are among the richest everyday sources of vitamin C, which your skin needs to build and stabilize collagen, and they bring additional carotenoids that help calm inflammation and support an even smooth tone. Make them a regular staple by slicing them raw into salads for crunch, roasting them to develop sweetness and a smoky edge, or blending them into a creamy pepper sauce with olive oil and herbs. Each approach layers in antioxidants that align with firmer, more supple-looking skin over time. For the best results, mix these vegetables daily and aim for a rainbow plate, because different colors deliver different antioxidants that work together to protect collagen and brighten your complexion. Combine them with healthy fats, like extra virgin olive oil, avocado, nuts, or seeds, to improve absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants such as carotenoids and vitamin E, and keep your plates varied through the week so your skin receives a steady stream of supportive nutrients. Let's quickly review. Broccoli supports collagen and antioxidant defense. Carrots provide beta-carotene to encourage glow and protect against sun-related stress. Tomatoes supply lycopene to help shield collagen. Spinach hydrates and brightens with a nutrient spectrum. And red bell peppers deliver abundant vitamin C and carotenoids to fight fine lines and support firmness. Keep these in rotation and let consistency do the heavy lifting for long-term results. Healthy, glowing skin rarely comes from a single product. It begins on your plate with colorful plants that quietly rebuild your skin's foundation day after day. On your next grocery run, reach for vibrant greens, reds, and oranges, and give your skin what it needs to look and feel its best. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more practical, science-backed tips, and share it with someone who loves natural skincare. Tell me in the comments which vegetable you eat the most and how you like to prepare it. Watch next: 5 fruits that reverse aging naturally. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance.